तो कहते हैं ना, सब्र का फल मीठा होता है। जब ये लॉकडाउन हुआ ना, ऐसे नुसरत और राज से तो मुझे बात ही करनी है। मुझे सबने बोला सब्र करो, टाइम आएगा। टाइम आ गया, छलांग मारने को हम सब तैयार हैं। आप दोनों मुझे एक चीज बताओ, ऐसे जिंदगी में कौन सा मोमेंट था जब आपको लगा कि छलांग मार ही लूं मैं?
जब मैं गुड़गांव में मैंने डिसाइड किया कि मुझे एक्टर बनना है और मुझे निकलना है गुड़गांव से और मुझे जाना है पूना पढ़ने, फिर उसके बाद मुंबई जाना है। आई थिंक वो एक बहुत बड़ी छलांग थी जो मेरी जिंदगी में मैंने मारी है।
अच्छी छलांग मारी है, देखो। और आप बताओ नुसरत।
सेम यार, आई एम द ओनली चाइल्ड इन माय फैमिली, तो उन सबके अलग अलग सपने थे कि मैं ये बनूंगी, मैं ऐसे करूंगी वैसे करूंगी। मैंने वो कुछ भी नहीं किया। मैंने अपनी खुद की छलांग मारी एंड आई वांटेड टू बी ऑन द बिग स्क्रीन एंड आई वांटेड टू बी लीडिंग इन द फ्रंट एंड आई जस्ट डिडंट सेटल फॉर एनीथिंग लेस। तो बस वो लिविंग रूम में बैठी थी मैं बॉम्बे में, बट अपने टीवी पे मैं फिल्में देखती और सोचती कि मैं वहां कब होंगी, और अब मैं आ गई।
Talk about a leap of faith. अब now I'm going to ask that one question when I saw the trailer. मैं राज को जब भी मिली हूँ ना हंसल सर के साथ, बहुत ही सीरियस किरदार लेकर कभी, और मेहता वे राज इज ऑल्सो इन अ फेज, अलीगढ़ को लेकर। जब मैंने छलांग लेकी, मैंने हंसल मेहता सर ये क्या हुआ? So did you both also feel the same when he came up with this film?
Actually, when I heard this film is happening, for me the most interesting part was it's Hansal sir's world meeting Love sir's humor. So it's two worlds actually, which is very uncanny because आप ऐसी एक मिलन देखने को नहीं मिलते हमें. Either we see serious real life stories which have a different kind of emotion, or we see light-hearted humor which is banter. तो ये banter humor and Hansal sir's world combined was very interesting, and I was like ये करके देखना चाहिए कि क्या बन के निकलता है. So for me, that was.
What about you, Raj? You and Hansal sir to are like the duo.
Yeah, so basically I met Love Sir first and he told me about this story. He narrated me the story and I immediately connected with it. I thought ये दुनिया को तो मैं जानता हूँ और ये बहुत एक खूबसूरत दुनिया है, बहुत एंटरटेनिंग दुनिया है, और इससे ऐसी कहानी हमने देखी नहीं है। एक स्पोर्ट्स कॉमेडी, एक पीटी टीचर की कहानी. So I was like, yeah, let's do it. And then Hansal sir came on board. I said ये तो मतलब सोने पे सुहागा हो गया है अभी, ये मतलब सर आ गए हैं, so he will bring his realism in a very commercially entertaining story. So I think it's a great combination.
Great combination, yeah, same.
So Montu sir की क्लास के लिए क्या चीजें चाहिए? सिफारिश जरूरी है, टैलेंट जरूरी है, जुगाड़ जरूरी है, या लक जरूरी है?
मोंटू सर की क्लास के लिए सिर्फ टैलेंट जरूरी है. आई थिंक टैलेंट के बिना कुछ नहीं है. सिफारिश अपनी जगह रह जाती है, आपको एक मौका दिला सकती है, पर उसके अलावा सिर्फ टैलेंट ही है जो जिंदगी में भी आपको आगे लेके जाएगा.
एंड हर किसी के पास कोई ना कोई यूनिक टैलेंट होता ही होता है. मतलब आप उस टैलेंट को यू कैन कंपेयर इट टू समबडी एल्सेस टैलेंट. यू नो व्हाट आई मीन, कि वो इतनी तेज दौड़ता है तो जरूरी नहीं कि मैं भी उतनी तेज दौड़ूं, बट मैं किसी और तरीके से दौड़ूं जहां मैं उससे पहले पहुंच जाऊं. यू हैव अ डिफरेंट वे ऑफ अचीविंग द सेम थिंग. तो वो यूनिक टैलेंट सब में होना चाहिए, होता ही है.
तो पीटी में आप दोनों कैसे थे यार? राज, आई विल स्टार्ट विद यू सिंस यू आर प्लेइंग अ पीटी टीचर.
मैं बहुत अच्छा था. मैं तो स्पोर्ट्स में बहुत एक्टिव था. मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड होता था whenever there was a sports period in our class. So I was always looking forward to it. मुझे कोई ऐसा नहीं लगता था कि अरे यार, I was like, अरे यार आज पीटी पीरियड है, मजा आएगा. So I was very enthused about it.
Nusrat?
No. I hated PT. Actually मुझे वो धूप में खड़े होके हमारे टेरेस पे होती थी पीटी क्लास स्कूल की. It was just not my thing. मेरे को बिल्कुल ही नहीं जमता था. तो I used to always make some bahana, be at the nurses station, or even better, I used to do drama in school. मैं ड्रामा में पहली थी, मैं डांस में पहली थी. So I used to go and tell the PT teacher कि मुझे ना वो वाले कंपटीशन में रिहर्सल करनी है, तो वो वाले टीचर मुझे उसके लिए बुला रहे हैं, तो मैं PT नहीं कर सकती. तो I used to do that and go to drama and dance, run from PT.
कितना जुगाड़. But what was it about? What was it about this particular story, Raj, that you were like something that you've not done before? Because I've been seeing you doing other stuff also. I mean, nowadays we see Raj dancing also. पहले I just thought ये सिर्फ अलीगढ़ शाहिद उमरता वाला मोड है, बहुत serious actor है. Then he gives you a बरेली की बर्फी, he gives you a spree, and now you have this. So what was it about this particular film that Montu resonated with you, or the concept resonated with you?
I think it's an underdog story. It's a story about aspirations, and it is a story about which is connected with children. And I've never done a film where there are so many children involved, so many kids involved. And it took me back to my school days. It was very nostalgic. So I think वो एक बहुत important reason था कि मुझे लगा ये दुनिया, we all love nostalgia. कि हमारी जब हम दोस्त भी मिलते हैं अभी आपस में, तो हम सब क्या बातें करते हैं, वो यार याद है वो स्कूल में वो था, कॉलेज में ये था. आई थिंक वी ऑल लव रिविजिटिंग दोज मोमेंट्स. तो हमने ये वही सब मोमेंट्स को 2 घंटे में आपके लिए पिरो दिया है. सो आई थिंक आई जस्ट कनेक्टेड विद द वर्ल्ड, आई जस्ट कनेक्टेड विद दीज कैरेक्टर्स. कि एक आदमी जो इतना केयर फ्री है, इतना लेड बैक है अपनी जॉब के लिए, एंड देन सडनली हाउ थिंग्स चेंज फॉर हिम, and he realizes his own self power and how he can inspire people through his work, which he didn't realize earlier. Thanks to Neelu ma'am for that, and Singh sir, Hamare Zishan ji, for that.
And also it's the dialogue, it's pride apni job. So what is like important for you? Is it your pride or your job?
Definitely pride.
So naturally, because a lot of times that you have to get your job done and you can do it done, but not at the expense of your pride. Have you ever been in a situation like that where you could resonate with the character?
As of now, no. It didn't come to choose between pride and my job. I think my job is my pride right now. What I do that is what I feel very proud of. But apart, no. As of now, no. Luckily, I haven't been in that situation.
And what about you, Nusrat? You play the computer teacher. वैसे आप computers में कितनी अच्छी हैं? Coding and everything.
Very bad. Terrible. ये सवाल नहीं पूछना चाहिए था आपसे. नहीं, terrible. But I remember कि जब हमें computers college में सिखाया गया था. It was not there when we were in school. And जब college की first class में computers में मैं गई थी, मुझे interest बहुत था. They were teaching us hyperlink. कि इससे click करके कहाँ आप connect करके एक और window और एक और site पे जा सको. तो मुझे इंटरेस्टिंग बहुत लगा था कि यार विद क्लिक यू कैन एक्चुअली ओपन अप अनदर विंडो एंड अ जोन, हाउ एंटरटेनिंग. तो आई वाज वेरी टेकन टू इट, बट आगे उसमें पढ़ाई की नहीं. वो एक ही सेमेस्टर का सब्जेक्ट था, फिर खत्म हो गया. बट दैट्स ऑल आई नो ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स. आई डोंट नो मोर देन दैट. एंड थैंकफुली इस फिल्म में उससे ज्यादा नॉलेज की जरूरत थी भी नहीं. इट वाज मोर अबाउट टीचिंग हिम अबाउट लाइफ रादर देन टीचिंग द चिल्ड्रन अबाउट कंप्यूटर्स.
True. And what about, I mean, I know all actors love the theatrical release. You like to gauge audience reactions. Theaters के साथ वो भी आता है, वो box office का one लोचा, which everyone hates. No one can determine numbers because a movie, let people judge it for it. But now a digital release, what's your take on it?
Well, the circumstances are such that, you really can't release your films in theaters because the whole situation, the pandemic that is going on. And as I think as actors especially, we want our films to be watched. As makers also, I think हम सब चाहते हैं कि हम फिल्म बनाते हैं ताकि लोग देखें, ऑडियंस देखे. अब वो ऑडियंस अपने घर में अपनी कन्वीनियंस के हिसाब से टेलीविजन सेट पे देख रही है इस माहौल में, तो आई थिंक वो भी अच्छा है. बिकॉज देयर इज नो पॉइंट नॉट रिलीजिंग द फिल्म, because you also have to move on to your next one, and then makers also have to move on to the next film. So there's no point keeping it in the backtrack. It's better to just put out there for people to watch it and enjoy it.
Along with theatrical, sorry, Nusrat.
No, I agree. I feel like every film has its own destiny, and the point is कि वो audience तक पहुंचनी चाहिए. You're right. There was a whole box office thing, which every actor and every filmmaker and everybody was obviously very keen on understanding कि क्या होता है. But I somewhere feel if it comes on OTT and if it's reaching your larger audience, it will now become an audience film. Now they will judge it and you'll get the correct judgment of आपकी picture कितनी कहाँ थी. Means your demographics are, I think, more correct than your box office of a certain film. I feel like it will get a little more filtered and a little more correct. So I'm looking forward to what OTT does for films actually.
What about you, Raj? Also, do you feel this whole box office का जो एक sword की तरह hang होता है actors, and because sometimes it's the box office is determining your hard work, which is actually not right, because numbers can be inflated. They can be fudged anytime.
Yeah, they can be, but not to that extent. See, there's a different kind of thrill to that. Just to wait for that Friday and that weekend and weekdays at how people are reacting to your film. There's definitely a thrill to that. I won't deny, there's definitely pressure to that. But when it works, you can't compare that amount of happiness with anything else. When it doesn't work, of course, then you just take it with a pinch of salt and move on. But it's exciting. It's exciting to wait for that Friday. But with OTTs, of course, that pressure is not there, which is also a good thing. That you're not really continuously thinking about what's going to happen to the Friday. Are we promoting it enough? Is it reaching enough people? So that stress is not there, which is a good sign, I feel.
Yeah, I feel the film can breathe for itself, you know,
Yeah.
rather than be like submerged with pressure of performing.
People will not, as you said, people will not judge it with numbers.
Correct.
Yeah.
And what are you both liked on a Friday, and how is it different this time?
What's like on a Friday? I try to be neutral. For me, you know, we have seen it like in past also. It doesn't, if a film does well at the box office, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's a good film. And if you make a good film, at least you are proud of it. So I have done films in my career where I know I'm proud of this film. I know people will know me because of these films for after 50 years as well. But they probably, they must have not done well at the box office. So it doesn't really matter to me. As long as I'm very proud of my films. And there have been examples where films might have done decent business and I'm like, wow, ye film kaise chal gayi? Yeah, so it's, for me, it's, the film has to be good. That's the most important thing. And it does well. It helps you in your career. I think it just helps you in your career growth. But apart from that, no, it doesn't give me any thrill.
What about you, Nusrat?
यार आई तो स्विच ऑफ मैं फिल्म शूट कर लेती हूँ फिर मैं स्विच ऑफ हो जाती हूँ आई डोंट वॉच माई ओन फिल्म इन अ स्क्रीनिंग आई डोंट वॉच इट ऑन डब आई डोंट वॉच इट बिफोर इट रिलीजेस सो ऑल माई फिल्म सो फार फ्राइडे को रिलीज होती है मैं मंडे ट्यूसडे को जाके देखती हूँ when there are screenings happening I'm standing outside waiting for audiences to come out and chit chat with them but I don't watch the film somewhere I feel like what happens on a Friday is a little beyond and above me because now the film is the world's. Now they have to basically take it, accept it, not. And वो box office पे कितना करने वाला है उसका pressure producers को ज़्यादा होता है rather than me. मैं यही बस एक चीज़ देखती हूँ कि is the film being taken with the intent with which it was made. मतलब जो feedback आ रहा है क्या वो intention correct पड़ी है हमारी या हम बस entertain करके ही निकल गए. You know, every film that even I have done has eventually had a deeper sort of a message and a connect, even if it is on relationships or on Dream Girl, whether it was on कि हम अकेले crowd में होके भी अकेले होते हैं, whatever it is, there is a deeper lining. I feel like has that intent gone across or not? That's the only one thing I judge. मैं तो actually reviews भी बहुत कम पढ़ती हूँ, मैं stress हो जाती हूँ, तो मैं पढ़ती नहीं. I said, it's the world's, now they'll take it or leave it.
Raj, what's your take on reviews? आप पढ़ते हो reviews?
Some of them. I don't read all of them, but there are some people I trust, and I trust their views, so I read some of them.
So how has the lockdown been for you? Because I know actors crave for that moment when they can be by themselves with their loved ones. But ये तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही लंबा summer vacation बोलते हैं ना. पहले तो everyone thought it's a summer vacation. ये तो बहुत लंबा break हो गया. How has it been like for you as people and also as professionals? Because you're always in the eye, you know, and suddenly like वो PAPS नहीं है, airport look नहीं हो रही है, not being praised.
वो तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ नहीं है. वो तो I'm very glad नहीं है. I like being home. I'm a private person that way. You know, I like doing my work and then going back to my own place and be with my loved ones. But this lockdown, as you rightly said, earlier, you know, initial couple of months were like, हाँ यार अच्छा, you know, it's productive, good, you got this break and it's time about self-introspection, self-realization, तो बहुत कुछ है करने को. But after like 3 months, like अरे ये तो खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है. It's never ending. But the thing that I was missing the most is being on a film set. I was missing that more than anything else.
अब तो पहुंच गए आप set पे. How is it like? Anything different?
Yes. Good. Yeah, it's of course these are different situations, different circumstances. अभी हम लोग we are in a bubble. For first 7 days we are not allowed to step out and be in this quarantine. And then we will shoot, of course, with a lot of precautions. So things are different. It's but that's how it is. You have to accept it and move on.
नुसरत आपके लिए कैसा रहा? एयरपोर्ट लुक तो नहीं मिस कर रही हो? जिम लुक?
नहीं. As much as देखो उसका भी एक अलग मजा है. जब आपका लुक सही पड़ जाता है तो, गलत पड़ता है तो बहुत टॉर्चर होता है. But उसका एक अलग मजा है. But I felt like this break was a much needed break, especially for me. मैंने 2018 से अब तक non-stop I have been out of my house. Non-stop I am living out of bags. Like I literally had 3 suitcases of replicated things. Shampoo replicated, face wash replicated, toothbrush replicated. Because मैं एक shoot से आती, वो bag घर पे रखती, दूसरा replicated bag ready उठा के निकलूं. I was on a whirlwind and I think I didn't get a chance to just pause or to just stay, to just enjoy, to kind of breathe. I didn't get a moment to do it. And I remember before SKTKS, there were long gaps जहाँ मैं बहुत अपने आप को chill करके enjoy करती. Like my agenda was आज दिन में कुछ नहीं है करने. That was my plan. I'm doing nothing. I couldn't say that in the last 2 years, and these 6-7 months was that. But it took me through a roller coaster. Yeah, there was of course a lot of doubt, a lot of insecurity. कि ये 6 महीने निकल गए, काम नहीं हो रहा है. I don't know when, what, I mean, how are we going to manage dates? When am I going to shoot what? There was a lot of up and down, but Raj ने कहा था कि कुछ भी plan नहीं कर सकते. That's what it teaches you, that no kind of planning is going to really, all you have is right now, and I mean, just live in it, and tomorrow will handle itself the way it has to.
एक बात,
so then I give up.
Candidly बताओ, which is the one discovery you've made about yourselves in the lockdown? सबने अपने
Same actually for us.
Yeah, that we can cook as well.
We can cook as well.
Awesome. तो राज, आपके लिए एक सवाल आया, अगर शोले बननी हो, आप विकी और आयुष्मान के साथ who will play what role?
मतलब मुझे कास्टिंग करनी है?
हाँ, आप कास्टिंग भी कर रहे हो, आप पिक्चर में भी हो, और ये 3 एक्टर हैं, आप विकी और आयुष्मान, और शोले बना रहे हो.
अरे, I तो love Amit ji's character the most in it. So I would play Jay. Then I will ask these two, विकी और आयुष्मान, के तुमको अभी जो अच्छा है तुम रख लो.
अच्छा, और बसंती?
नुसरत
बैठी ना हमारे सामने.
Good. Full points.
Both of you have come together after Love, Sex और धोखा. What is it like? एक दूसरे के बारे में एक चीज बता दो यार, जो दूसरों को नहीं पता है.
राज, you start.
नुसरत के बारे में, हाँ. I think नुसरत जो है वो I think there's no different face to her. I think वो interviews में भी वैसी है, वो set पे भी वैसी है, वो real life में भी वैसी है, which is a great thing, I think. So she doesn't wear any dual face, which is I think so nice in today's world. तो मुझे तो नुसरत के साथ काम करके बहुत अच्छा लगता है हमेशा. She's very chilled out, she's very supportive, always happy, fun-loving girl. Yeah.
So sweet. And we need people like that in our lives, yeah, especially these days. आप बताओ इनके बारे में.
For me, एक तो dancing. LSD की हमने actually कोई parties नहीं की जहाँ हमने एक दूसरे के साथ बहुत dance किया हो. But lately, after Chhalang and all the parties we've been to, Diwali and all, he dances so well. मतलब एक नया absolutely अलग face of Rajkumar Rao है when he's on the dance floor with the 90s music playing. He is killer, मतलब full killer. You'll forget, आप लड़की को नहीं देख सकते once he starts dancing, and that's saying a lot, by the way. Let me tell you.
True. Yeah. मैंने वो बारिश का गाना देखा, full on Mr. Bachchan mode. आज रपट जाइए, वो बारिश वाला गाना from Namak Halal. I was getting those feels. Was it something you always wanted to do, Raj? Dancing and everything, और कोई दे ना इतने serious intense roles मिले?
नहीं, अब तो दे रहे हैं luckily. अभी लोगों को लग रहा है कि थोड़ा बोलते हैं कि थोड़ा हमें entertain भी कर, हंसा भी थोड़ा.
It's actually easy, नहीं तो आपको फिर दिलीप साहब की तरह बोलते हैं ना tragedy king, फिर कोहिनूर, उनको भी कोहिनूर करनी पड़ी थी उसके बाद.
नहीं, दिलीप साहब के अगर मैं 10% भी बन जाऊं तो मतलब. Yeah.
And second cheese, Rajki is very honest. He's very honest. मतलब I would go to him literally after every take and say, बता, please बता, क्या लगा, क्या करूँ, ये करूँ, वो करूँ, और वो बहुत ही प्यार से honestly बोलता कि ऐसे 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 ये लगा मुझे ये लगा. And it helps you a lot as an actor, you know, if you get the right feedback, because sometimes कोई झिझक जाता है कि नहीं कैसे बोले, क्या बोले, but he's been very honest and very very helpful. मतलब सेट पे जितनी हरियाणवी राज ने सिखाई है उतना तो मतलब किसी और ने अटेंशन भी नहीं पी गया था मेरे पे.
राज हरियाणवी में वैसे बोलना, or is it easy, or did you have to really work on that accent?
No, it was easier in a way, definitely easier than the other accents that I've portrayed in different films, because I've grown up in Haryana. It's my home state. तो एक familiarity है language के साथ, but क्योंकि बहुत साल से out of touch हूँ मैं, तो वो थोड़े दिन की कुछ I think just a few conversations with my extended family members and cousins and brothers, sisters, तो उनके साथ कुछ दिन की conversation just to hear that that tone again, just to get it in.
Extended conversation, सोच रहे हैं कि इतनी लंबी बात क्यों कर रहा है हमारे साथ, अब पिक्चर देखेंगे लगा अब पता चला. But on another note, because everything has changed around us, all businesses, which is the one thing you want to see changed coming forward in the film industry, could be in terms of narratives, stories being told, anything. What is the one change as two actors who have strived to reach where they are, which is that one change?
one change that I would like to see is actually for people, which we were actually talking about earlier. I want good films to do well at the box office. Because sometimes it becomes like people like new maker, new director, new actors, and the film might be so good, but it just doesn't get the audience it deserves. So that can be heartbreaking for a lot of people. I think we should give opportunities to new people, to new writers, new actors, new directors, because there's so much work for everyone. There can't be any kind of form of insecurity here. Everybody can find their own space. So I think we should give many more new opportunities to new people.
And do you think that will change with the OTT platforms?
Well, I hope so. I hope it is changing. OTT has given such amazing power to the content. Like we have seen in recent past, like Jaideep Ahlawat in Paatal Lok, who's my classmate from FTII. And
wow,
been here since 2008. We came together and it took him 12 years. But when he came on screen in Paatal Lok, people just noticed him and how. Yeah, and Mirzapur, there's so many examples.
True. Yes, lady? Miss Bubbly. She's actually...
Yeah, this is something... this is something I really wish does happen. I feel हमारी film में people ask me a question, are you afraid आप इस role में typecast हो जाओगे? I always say नहीं, मुझे इस बात का डर नहीं है, because I believe people out there see it as talent and are able to cast people in different roles. जो I think sadly होता नहीं है. I wish the casting was done a little more with an open mind. जैसे हंसल sir, for example, मुझे लगा था he would never cast me in Chhalang because he's never seen me do a role like this or a film like this. He's always seen me do glamorous, larger than life roles, but he did see me and he did cast me. I wish people were a little more open-minded with that. कि भाई अगर एक एक्टर ये कर रहा है तो ऐसा नहीं कि उसकी लिमिटेशन है कि वो सिर्फ वही अच्छा कर सकता है. एक बार भरोसा करके देखो ना, give her or give him a role that they've never done before and see if they are able to bring that to the table and transform, because I feel उतना ही responsibility actor का भी होता है that tomorrow if you tell me do this part and how am I going to transform myself into that is also my talent. Give me that responsibility. I'm up for a challenge. If I fail, go ahead, cast somebody you think works better, but give that chance to an actor to kind of do something different, do something which nobody has ever thought of. उसको उसमें डाल के तो देखो. That I feel like is changes.
And your co-stars actually proved it. I've been following his career from his first film.
Exactly. And I say that about him. I said his 5 films have given me inspiration to kind of go out there and say कि यार मेरे को बहुत डर लग रहा है इससे, but मुझे करके देखना है. Like I want to be trapped in that role, in that film, in that flat, and I want to put myself through that.
आप मत होना यार, गाजर कॉफी पीते पीते पागल हो जाओगी.
But I wish that changes. I really wish.
Thank you so much. तो मोंटू सर की पीटी क्लास के लिए टैलेंट की बहुत जरूरत है. और कोई मैसेज आप देना चाहते हो बच्चों को जो मोंटू, they should actually be spending less time on screen, but anything Montu sir wants to tell kids?
I just want to tell them कि दिवाली का माहौल है, be safe. Pandemic भी चल रहा है तो be extra safe, be very take all the precautions, safety precautions, और अपने दोस्तों के साथ, अपनी फैमिली के साथ बैठ के 13 नवंबर को our film is coming, Chhalang, which is about you, which is about us, which is about all of us. So watch it, get entertained, laugh out loud.
And computer ma'am?
सेम है यार, आप तो आई थिंक यूज्ड टू हो गए होंगे, अब सारे क्लासेस ऑनलाइन हो रहे हैं, सब कुछ ऑनलाइन हो रहा है. ये कोई क्लास नहीं है, ये मजेदार सी फिल्म है जिसमें कुछ बच्चों की क्लास लगती है जो आप नहीं हो, बट वॉच इट एंड आई होप यू एंजॉय इट. हमने बहुत मजे किए हैं. आई होप द किड्स एंड वी कैन टेक यू बैक टू योर फॉन्ड मेमोरीज ऑफ स्कूल एंड यू विल हैव फन विद अस.
And with all the very best, both of you. Always a pleasure to speak to 2 talented stars. And thank you so much. All the very best and happy Diwali.
Thank you. Happy Diwali to you.
Happy Diwali.